Hi children. All birds find shelter during a rain, but eagle avoids rain by flying above the clouds. Problems are common, but attitude makes difference. So, change your attitudes and solve the problems like eagle. So, how are you all? I think all are fine. So, today we are going to start our third lesson, negative sentences. In a sentence, there is affirmative sentence are there and negative sentences are there. How can we realize affirmative sentence and a negative sentence? Very easily I can say in negative sentence there will be not. In negative sentence there will be not along with the helping verb. Now here two columns are there. First one it is affirmative sentence, second one negative sentence. In the first sentence, affirmative sentences, first one it is I am hungry. Here I is the subject, am hungry predicate. Here am is the helping verb. The same sentence in the right hand side, I am not hungry. With the helping verb am, there is one more word that is not. Second sentence is we are fast friends. Here what is the helping verb? Helping verb is are. With this helping verb in the right hand side there is one more word added that is not. We are not fast friends. Third sentence, they were good players. Helping verb were. Right hand side, the same sentence with the helping verb, there is one more word added that is not. They were not good players. Fourth sentence is she can do it. Right hand side, she cannot do it. With the helping verb can, there is one more word that is not. It may rain today. Fifth sentence. It may not rain today. So, what is written here in the box? The sentences on the left hand side are affirmative sentences. That means this side sentences, left hand side sentences are affirmative sentences. The sentences on the right hand side are negative sentences because they have the word not in them. I told you in this side sentence there is with the helping verb there is one more word added that is not. So this side sentences are negative sentences. Negative sentences express a refusal or denial. Now read the following sentences. Affirmative sentences given there. Negative sentences also given there. I am driving my car. First sentence is I am driving my car. Here what is the helping verb? Am. Am is the helping verb. So with this am we add not. I am not driving my car. In this way we can make a affirmative sentence into negative sentence. We can add not, the word not with the helping verb. Okay. So second sentence is she is running fast. She is running fast. In this sentence, how can we make this sentence into negative? First we have to select the helping verb. What is the helping verb? Is the helping verb. So with this is, we have to add the word not. She is not running fast. Third sentence is They are singing together. In this sentence, what is the helping verb? Are is the helping verb. So, with this helping verb, we have to add the word not. They are not singing together. He was selling fruit. In this sentence, what is the helping verb? Was is the helping verb. So, he was not selling fruit. Now, last one, they were speak loudly. Here, what is the helping verb? Sorry, what is the helping verb? Were is the helping verb. With this word, we have to add the word not. They were not speaking loudly. The negative sentence in present continuous or past continuous tense is formed with subject plus am is are, was or were plus not plus present participle form, that means ing form. Here you just listen me. These sentences are given in continuous tense. Am driving, it is present continuous. Is running, that is also present continuous. Are singing, present continuous tense. Was selling, it is past continuous tense. Were speaking, that is past continuous tense. So, in this continuous tense, how can we make a negative sentences? How we can make negative sentences with the helping verb? We have to add the word not. Now read the following sentences: affirmative sentence and negative sentences. In this type of sentence, I walk daily. I walk daily. Here we have to check the helping verb. Is there helping verb or not? So in this sentence there is no helping verb. So what we have to write? We have to write the verbs do, did, does. Now how can we select do, did among from these three verbs? How can we select which one we have to write here? So for that we have to check the subject. What is the subject here? I is the subject. One more time I will explain. In a sentence, first we have to check, is there helping verb or not? If there is a helping verb, then no need to check. We can write this way: am, are, were, can, may. Then we can write am not, are not, were not, cannot, may not. So in this sentence there is no helping verb. In this case there is no helping verb. I walk daily, not helping verb. So first we have to check a helping verb. If there is no helping verb, then we have to check the main verb, what it is. Main verb, it is walk. It is in present tense. If the verb is in present tense, then we have to check the subject, is it singular or plural. Now here the subject is I. Here the subject is I. I is singular. Okay. I is singular, but it is first person pronoun. I is first person pronoun. That's why we have to write here do. If it is not the first person pronoun, we can write does. But it is first person pronoun I. That's why we have to write the do. Now what is the second sentence? Sorry, the sentence is I walk daily. How can we make a negative sentence? I, as it is I, you can write then you have to write do, then not, then walk daily. Now the next sentence is given here. She learns her lesson. She learns her lesson. So here is also, first we have to check the helping verb. Is in this sentence, is there helping verb or not? So in this sentence also there is no helping verb. So what we have to check? Then we have to check the main verb. What is the main verb here? Learns. Learns is the main verb. Is it present tense or past tense? You know it is in present form, present tense. That's why again we have to check the, after that we have to check the subject. Is it singular or plural? Here what is the subject? She is the subject. She singular or plural? She is singular. So that we have to write does here. If the subject is singular, we have to write does. Then write the negative word not. Again you have to listen me. Here you have to write only learn. Don't write learns. This S will cut. You have to write only learn here, because we already write here does. Present form we already take it out. That's why we have to write only learn. She does not learn her lesson. Now third sentence again. He reads English newspaper. First we have to check, is there helping verb or not. So in this sentence also there is no helping verb. So what is the main verb? Reads is the main verb. Reads is present tense. Then what we have to check? We have to check the subject. What is the subject here given? He. He is singular or plural? He is singular. So we have to write does. He does not. Then we have to write only read. Don't write reads. He does not read English newspaper. Again we are going to fourth sentence. They dance in the rain. They dance in the rain. Here also there is no helping verb given directly. So we have to check the main verb. What is the main verb? Dance. Then we have to check the tense of the main verb. Is it present tense or a past tense? Here it is given in present form. That's why we have to check the subject. What is the subject given? They. Is it singular or plural? It is plural subject. Bahuvachan, plural subject. So what we have to write? Do. If the subject is singular, we can write does. If the subject is plural, we have to write do. Then write the negative word not. Then write a dance in the rain. I think you understood. Again fifth sentence. My sister works in an office. Here we have to check, is there helping verb or not. So in this sentence also there is no helping verb. So we have to check the main verb. What is the main verb here? Works. Okay. Then we have to check the tense of the verb works. Is it present or past? So you know this is present tense. So what we have to write, what we have to check next? We have to check the subject. Is it singular or plural? What is the subject here? My sister. My sister singular or plural? You know it is singular. Meri Bahan. A singular, my sister. So what we have to write? Does. If the subject is singular, we have to write does. My sister does not work in an office. Now, sixth sentence is Sarita sang a song. Sarita sang a song. Here is also there is no helping verb. So what we have to check? We have to check the verb. What is the main verb? It is sang. Is it present or past? It is past tense. So we can directly write here did. Then write the negative word. Then write only the present form of the particular verb. Here it is written sang, but we can't write again sang here because we already take it out the past tense from here. Okay, did not sing a song. That's why we have to write the present form of the verb, that is sing. So once again I will remind you, if the sentence is no, if in a sentence there is no helping verb given, you have to write the verb do, did, does according to the subject. we have to check the main verb first. If the main verb is in present form, we have to check the subject again. If the subject is singular, we can write a does. If the subject is plural, we can write a do. If the tense is in past tense, we have to write a did. Now we are going to the next portion. The negative sentence in present simple or past simple tense is formed with a subject plus do, does, did plus not, base form or infinitive. That I told you. How can we make a negative sentence? Now the next one, read the following sentences. Read the following sentences. Here is helping verb given there. Okay, helping verb given there. That is has, have, had. Now how can we make this affirmative sentence into negative sentence? Very easy it is. Just we have to add no, N-O, no with the helping verb. Okay, so first sentence is I have a mobile. Here what is the helping verb? Have is the helping verb. Okay, so with this have, we have to write the word no, N-O, no. Don't write not. Not नहीं लिखेंगे, only write no. I have a mobile. I have no mobile. And one more thing you have to listen. Here it is written a mobile. It is showing the possession. I have a mobile, showing one possession. So here we written I have no mobile. So after writing no, don't write a. In the question there is a also there. So after writing no, no लिखने के बाद don't write a. That is wrong. We have a house. We have a house. So here is also after writing no, we have no house. After writing no, don't write a. Next sentence, he has a bicycle. He has no bicycle. A bicycle written in the affirmative sentence, but in the negative sentence, we can't write a. She has a notebook. She has no notebook. They had a car. They had no car. Sentence containing have, has, had show possession. The negative sentence is formed with subject plus have, has, had plus no. No is another negative word which means not any. The previous sentences we seen not. So instead of not we can write no. No is also another negative word. So first exercise we are going to do. First one, change the following sentence into negative. He is wise. Here what I told you, first we have to check is there helping verb or not. So in this sentence there is a helping verb. Which one is the helping verb? Is the helping verb. So with this helping verb we have to write not. So how can we make the negative sentence? He is not wise. He is not wise. After is we have to write the negative word not. Second sentence, I am a sports person. I am a sports person. Here what is the helping verb? Am is the helping verb. So we have to we have to make this as a affirmative sentence into negative by adding not with the helping verb. By adding not with the helping verb. I am not a sports person. I am not a sports person. All the spelling you have to write from the question. They are my neighbors. Here what is the helping verb? Are is the helping verb. So with this helping verb are we have to add the negative word not. They are not my neighbors. Now, fourth one, she was present in the classroom. Here is also was present. Was is the helping verb. So, with this helping verb, we have to add the word not and make negative. She was not present in the classroom. There is classroom, CLASSROOM. You can go now. Here what is the helping verb? Can is the helping verb. So we can write the helping verb. You cannot go home. Go now. Now exercise B, change the following sentence into negative. First question, he works hard. First we have to check if there is helping verb or not. So in this sentence there is no helping verb. He works hard. We have to check the main verb, that is works. So is it present tense or past tense? Works is a present tense. So what we have to check? We have to check the subject, singular or plural. So he is a singular verb. Sorry, singular subject. So we have to write does. Answer is he does not work hard. He does not work hard. Again, don't write here works. Okay, yes, will not write, only write work. He does not work hard. Second one, she waits for me. Here is also helping verb not given directly. So we have to write a do, did, does according to the sentence. So here she waits for me. Waits is the main verb. This is present tense. That's why we have to write do or a does. Do or a does. How can we select a do or a does? We have to check the subject, is it singular or a plural. Here subject is singular, she is the subject, it is singular. So we can select the does. She does not wait for me. Now they speak French fluently. Here also there is no helping verb. Main verb is speak. So we have to check the tense of the verb. Is it present or a past? Here it is present tense. So what we have to check? We have to check the present tense. Then we can write a do or a does. Now do or does, do है या does है, हमको कैसे पता करेंगे? From the subject we can confirm it, do or does. We have to check the subject. What is the subject? They. Is it present? Sorry, is it singular or a plural? If it is singular, we can write does. If it is plural, we can write do. Here they is the subject, they is plural. Then we can write do. Answer is they do not talk to each other. Now last one. The train arrived very late. The train arrived very late. Here is also no helping verb given. So we have to write do. Sorry, we have to select do, did, does. From these three we have to select one. For this we have to write, first we have to check the main verb. What is the main verb here? Arrived. Arrived, is it present tense or past tense? So you know it is past tense. So you can select did. Okay, the train arrived. It is past tense. That's why we can write did. So the answer is the train did not. Then write the present form of arrived, because past tense we already take it out, did. That's why only write arrive. The train did not arrive very late. So this is the lesson for you today. So learn nicely. See you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.